Well, good morning, folks. It's Sunday morning, and we're going to be taking a look at what the market might be doing this week. As you can see, we're looking at the NASDAQ in a mini chart, and I have all the setup profiles done. But just a quick overview, I'm looking for higher prices this week. To go back and retest this 3100 area here. We had a new baby to the NASDAQ this week with the inclusion of SpaceX, which I'm also bullish on, to the 180s areas is where I'm looking towards me personally, but this is only my observation and my opinion. This is not trading advice. Please consult your trading advisor, consultant, or a trading professional for trading advice. This recording is for educational purposes only. So let's get started. Well, welcome to a Sunday Outlook. We're going to be looking at only the NASDAQ chart, so that's what I specialize in. I am a NASDAQ opening bell trader, and that's what I'll be looking for today, is where the market would move today and this week. So, as you can see, we had highs at 31,117 area, and Friday we had a very slow value day on Friday. So we ended up closing Friday in the it ranged from 29,490 to the range of 29,980s. I'm anticipating a different look. I see a fair value gap here that may turn into an inversion fair value gap, reaching new highs, possibly trying to break out above the 3102 area. And let me show you how I mark this chart up with the lipstick on. Okay, so I'm looking at some lower time structures. I have a fair value gap here. I have a break of structure, change of character to the upside at 3240, 400. That's what happened to it. Why did it move? To there. And if I was to bring out a measuring fib to kind of get an idea, I would use this body's candle here, and that body's high there, and I'll be looking at 3127 as potential targets. And that's with that particular Fibonacci. But you know, I do have several types of Fibonacci tools. If I use one, a measuring fib, and that would be one standard deviation, I would have a completely different look. Not to confuse you, but it just gives me different ideas of potential in the market. The question becomes, are we going to have that much volume to push that high? So I see one standard deviation target at 31,270, 1.5 standard deviations targets at 31,900, and a 2 standard deviation at 32,500. So those are potential targets for the week coming up that I'll be looking for and monitoring. It's like all your trades, manage your risk, control your stops, and then manage your trades. Set your targets in advance, be proactive, use limit orders, and then you can ultimately make a decision on what you would like to do. So initially, I'll be looking at something like this. Anywhere in this range, I'll be managing the trade. That would be plan A, and plan B would be primarily opposite, right? And we could do both. So I can have a plan A, and I can have a plan B, which is typically ideal of what I do. So my plan A is to remain to the upside, being bullish. My plan B would be going back down to retest these lows and checking out and being closely watching the 62 Fibonacci level for targeting, or even the 80% or 79% level for targeting, if we're going to continue and reverse. But I'm optimistic. I'm bullish on this pair. We're going to see how it trades out this week. Happy trading. Stay focused. Trade small, manage your risk, place your stop loss, always place or protect your stop loss, and manage your trade. Until next time, have a great week and happy trading.